Cold open, the world of Forex markets. Complex, intriguing, but have you ever wondered about the role central banks play in this global financial chess game? Central banks, the colossal entities of the financial world, are the puppeteers of Forex markets. They manipulate national interest rates, a key determinant of a currency's value. Lower rates? That could lead to weaker currency, prompting investors to look elsewhere. Higher rates? Now you're talking. Investors might flock for the higher returns, but there's more. Central banks also control money supply. More money in circulation can lead to inflation, decreasing the currency's value. Less money? You got it, potential deflation, and possibly a stronger currency. Then, there's their role as the lender of last resort, stepping in to stabilize the economy during financial crisis. Intrigued? Dive deeper. Understand the intricacies of central banks and Forex markets, because knowledge is indeed power.